Okay, we're given, again, problem 1083, we're given an equation and we're asked to solve for x. All right, it looks pretty complicated. The first thing I would recommend is to simplify the right-hand side. And that's what we did first, and we found the right-hand side was pretty simple, just 4 over 4 minus x. Next thing I would do is just rewrite the equation as x equals that, and then solve that equation. And solving that equation, I just noticed an error over here. I'm going to correct it right now. That's x minus 2 quantity squared. Let me go back over that. But anyway, the answer to that would be x is 2. So I know the answer is 2. That certainly satisfies this equation here. And if you want to, you could plug it back in over here. What I always like to do is just, maybe I made a mistake somewhere, is just simply check it out using Sage. So I'm going to do open Sage. I'm going to type clear first, clear the screen. Type in reset. Whoops. X is a variable. And then equation, EQ. And this is the toughest thing for me to do, is type in actually the equation. And I will go through that. All right, let me just go through what I typed in over here. I said EQ is a placeholder for this equation over here, which is x equals. You notice I use a double equal sign here, indicates an equation. And this, the tough part for me was to actually type this in over here. But I did do that. Actually, I do it for my code as well. If you look in the code, that's even more complicated. You type it in through LaTeX, all right? But anyway, that's doable. So hit return. Let me go back to my code. And what I'm going to do is solve the equation for x. All right, so solve the equation for x. What does it say? X equals 2, as we concluded. Thank you.